hello everyone, and a very nice welcome for everyone to join us for our Q4 2024 report. And I think, as always, we want to wish you a Happy New Year. Welcome to 2025. This year will be a very exciting year. And for Pundi, we are actually entering our 8th year operating in the Web3 space. So really very excited, and we want to share with you what we have done in Q4 and also some of the exciting things that we have in store for 2025. And I am Zach Shah, and today with me we have also a few of our colleagues. So I would like to introduce them. So first is Andres. Hello,
Hi,
Andres.
hello. I'm the growth lead at Pundi, so uh, nice to see everyone here and excited to talk about our Q4 2024 report and what is coming next.
Nice. And next we have Louisa.
Hello, everyone. It's so exciting to have you all here. I'm Luisa. I'm based in Brazil. I'm in the BD and marketing teams at Pundi. And once again, thank you all for joining us today.
Nice. And next we have our Judy.
Hello, everyone. Nice to see you guys again.
Right. And last but not least, we have someone that you might be familiar with if you join Pundi AI X Spaces. We have Sepeng with us.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, my name is Sepeng. I'm the marketing lead at Pundi AI, and I work with Zach in the Singapore office.
All right. So the five of us will be sharing with you the Q4 development. And today's agenda, we have split it into 5 focus points. One, as always, we want to bring you the development of our tech stuff. Second is rollout and partnerships. As always, many great things happening throughout different parts of the world, and it is time to share with you. Third is something that many of you are very focused on, which is Pundi AI. I myself is very excited that we are bringing you some exciting updates that is going to happen, especially in February. Fourth are some of the events that we have joined in Q4, and the 5 of us and other colleagues have been traveling and sharing the great things that have happened. So this is a time also to recap and also to share it to our holders and community members. Of course, the most important thing is what are we doing in 2025, the outlook that we have. Let's dive into tech development. One very key important progress is that we now have over 150 merchants accepting cryptocurrency with Pundi in South Africa. And with the growth of the South African market, we have also carved out a new branding in the South African market and also beyond. And Expo's custodial business will also be transferred to Easy Solutions, which is our partner in South Africa. And why are we doing this? A key important reason is to support the 150 merchants and growing partners that is in the region. And with that, we are now aiming to be fully compliant and also operate with compliance with the interim regulatory regime for South African CASP, FSP with the FSCA. And I think in short, we will be operating very compliantly, and with the help of Easy Solutions, we will be poised to seeing even more growth in South Africa. And for those of you that have been with us and follow our progress, you know that the African continent with South Africa leading is a very interesting market for us. We actually see very unique and interesting spending habit on our expos. For example, we have seen some of the users spending Bitcoin on large item purchases. This is a trend that we have seen, especially happening in the African market, of course, with South Africa, a very big growth area. And with this full compliance, I believe that we will not only have 150 merchants in South Africa, but many, many more. So very excited. And also for those of you that actually step into a store or a shop with Xpost operating, we would love to see a photo shoot or a video shoot of what you are purchasing there. Next is actually a rebranding that we have been talking about for a long time, right? We have had several X Spaces post a discussion to actually rebrand Function X to Pundi AI. In fact, I think the rebrand has gone so well that now we are at the final steps of the rebranding. And what it will happen is that with coming in February, we are working with exchanges to actually confirm the redenomination of the FX token to be Pundi AI token. The redenomination has a few important points. If you are a FX holder, you will be particularly interested to know that your FX token will be redenominated into Pundi AI 100 to 1. So if you have 100 FX, you will receive 1 Pundi AI. With this redenomination, it also comes with a fresh rebranding. And for those of you that are following our Pundi AI Twitter account, X account, or our social media, you will see the many interesting things that are happening. I will be explaining more, so will Seiping and the rest. One key point to remember is that this redenomination, or some might call it a token swap, will not be diluting any token, nor will there be any lock. If you are a token holder in our original chain, FX Core chain, which is now called Pundi AI FX Omni Layer, your tokens will be automatically converted on the redenomination period. If you have FX on ERC20 or on Base, you will then go through a very simple swap process, which will be presented on our website. And of course, I think what is most important is you don't need to rush this process because you have 3 years to do the redenomination. So if you have like even 1% that you are not 100% sure what you need to do, even though the steps are very easy, one way is actually to look at how others are doing it and always triple check the linked and also the contract address on our various social media. Triple check so that if there are scammers, you won't be the victim. All right, so for the details, I think we have a announcement that we just shared 24 hours ago. You can actually look at the announcement to read the details. We are aiming at the 10th of February week for those actions to take place. So what it means is that on the 10th of February week, the redenomination of FX token to Pundi AI token will officially happen. And for the exact precise date and steps, check out our linked and social media to follow the simple steps. And of course, one reason that we are redenominating Pundi AI to Pundi AI token is actually to facilitate the Pundi AI data testnet launch. And the Pundi AI data platform testnet launch is actually the biggest dataset repo for Web3 products we have seen. We have over tens of thousands of data sets on the Pundi AI data platform for users to test, to download, to annotate, and also to earn while you do data tagging. And during the whitelist process, we have gotten over 130 serious users to test our Pundi AI testnet with the data platform. So that's something that we are very excited about, and very excited that the Pundi AI token will be powering Pundi AI data platform, Pundi AI FX Omni layer, Pundi AI marketplace, and also Pundi AI agent. Right. So next, we want to share some of the things that have happened on offline events. What are the in real life partnerships that we have actually signed? So passing it on to you, Seping.
Thank you, Zach. Yeah, so next I'll talk about the partnerships that we have secured over the past quarter, and then Andres will take over. So first of all, next slide, please. Yeah, so first of all, we have partnered with Squid Router. So what Squid Router is, it's a leading cross-chain infrastructure platform powered by XLR network. And what this means is, once FX is live on Squid, users can seamlessly bridge the FX token between the Ethereum and Base network. So I'm sure some of you have already tried bridging. So you can bridge either from FX4, or now it's called Pundi AI FX, to Base, or you can bridge from Base to Ethereum. Yeah, and this leads me to the next slide. Yeah, so our next partnership is with Base. So right now, the FX token is live on Base. So that means you can bridge FX over to Base. And just a quick intro on Base, it's a layer 2 solution on the Ethereum blockchain that is incubated by Coinbase. And right now, Base holds over 200 decentralized applications, and its TVL is more than $10 billion. And for those of us who are following Base, especially when it comes to the AI agents meta recently, like Virtuous Protocol is one of the biggest projects on Base right now. So if you're interested, you can head over to Aerodrome, which is the largest DEX on Base, to buy the FX token. Yeah, next, I think Andreas, you can take over.
Thank you. So next, for PundiX, we actually collaborated with Alchemy Pay to integrate them into our upcoming decentralized payment platform. And this will enable merchants to on-ramp and off-ramp. So with on-ramp, they can accept fiat payments from the customers. And also with off-ramp, they can convert cryptocurrency to local fiat currency. Next. Next, we also will be integrating INGRX, which is a stablecoin page to the Indonesian rupiah, which is on the Base blockchain. With this initiative is a big step for us in order to expand across Indonesia. Furthermore, we also start supporting BitGet wallet, which every BitGet wallet user can use the wallet to spend the cryptocurrencies directly at PundiX merchants. Another thing, great achievement is now PundiX token can be traded on Revolut X, which is a cryptocurrency exchange by Revolut, and it's available across UK and all Europe. And continuing, I will pass it on to Luisa, who will speak about the events.
Thank you, Andres. Okay, so let's go over the event section of this AMA. So 2024 was definitely a year marked by huge achievements by our team. And one thing that our team did was join the most prominent and important events in the space. And to start off, back in October, our ecosystem lead, Indra, delivered an insightful online lecture at the Telkom University, where he discussed the diverse blockchain use cases across many, many industries. Also in October, Peko, our co-CEO, discussed practical applications utilizing decentralized technology in applications at the second Taiwan Web3 International Fair. And now moving over to our team in Japan, where our team is always taking part in many, many events. We sponsored the Off-Chain Tokyo event alongside Bitcoin.com and Ivy Maker. In this event, our team joined discussions and further cemented our position in the exciting and ever-evolving Web3 ecosystem. Next, also in Japan, our team had joined the Omobaza event, where they got to demonstrate our solutions and strengthen our connections within the Japanese market. Up next, our team attended 3 major events. The first being the Hong Kong FinTech Week, where we connected with many incredible projects and also connected with licensed upgraders and local stablecoin projects to discuss potential future collaborations. The next one, another very, very important event our team joined this past quarter was the Singapore FinTech Festival. Our team joined and made a strong presence at the festival, presenting the test net of data annotation platform to many industry leaders and stakeholders. Our interactions there fostered collaboration and definitely spotlighted our leadership in paving the way when it comes to integrating blockchain and AI. The third one, our team also joined the DevCon Thailand back in November, where we promoted our decentralized payment platform, the Pundi AI data platform, and the Burst Plus social AI tools. These 2 specific innovations did definitely reflect our drive to empower businesses and individuals in the digital economy. Up next, Zach delivered an insightful session at the Google's Jakarta office, discussing emerging market trends and the intersection of both technology and innovation. And moving over to the next event, our team joined the last quarter. Our co-CEO Danny joined a panel at the Taiwan Blockchain Summit and shared the vision and functionality of Pundi AI data annotation platform, highlighting its potential to transform and push the AI data training processes. And now I'd like to hand over to Judy so that she can share a little bit about her experience joining a panel at this event.
Thank you, Louisa. This is the panel in Taiwan. It's called the Taiwan Builder House Demo Day. So we were invited. Actually, aside from the panel, we also got the chance to demonstrate our Pundi AI solution and what we have been ready for the community and the AI world to experience. So it was quite a nice experience to showcase our product to many, many more. And next, please. Our colleague Gabby is also invited to a Web3 panel in Taiwan as well to talk about careers in blockchain and the possible potentials of entering this industry. Next, please. And a very important AI initiative that we have last year is the AI Pitch Fest. So it started in September. We started to accept applications, and we got applications from all over the world. We got from Asia, from the US, from Europe, and we came down to 6 finalists. And after a series of reviewing their applications and then a final online demo, we have the final winners, 2 winners. One is Cynthia Systems and the other is AI Square. So Cynthia Systems they're building a search engine, a cognitive search engine for e-commerce and can be applied for many, many more. And for AI Square, they're building a industrial solver model for logistics and manufacturing industries, and they're both at their initial stages. And we have they will be entering a 6-month incubation program, and we have already started the session. Now we're very excited to see how their products will be built after the 6-month session. Thank you. Yeah, next is the 2025 outlook. I'll hand over to Zach.
Thank you, Judy. And I would also like to add that the AI Pitch Fest is something that I really enjoy seeing the participants pitching, and it shows the depth and also the possibility of AI for betterment. And in 2025, it will be super exciting, right? We will be pushing forward with payments and also AI. And one of the key app that will be delivering this is actually our Pundi wallet. And I would like Andres to share a little bit more about the rebranding of Pundi wallet and what Pundi wallet is bringing for us.
Thank you, Zach. So actually yesterday, it's exciting because it was just yesterday we announced this rebranding. So FX Wallet is now rebranding to Pundi Wallet. Now, this rebranding actually reflects our commitment to empower everyone to control over the digital assets. Now, an important thing to say about this is that existing FX Wallet users, this name change will not affect their experience. All they need to do is to click the update button. And in the next slide, we can see like an only one image actually, where this this Pundi wallet can have all your wallets organized, and you can also keep track of everything. We have instant notifications with any changes, and also we support many Pundi features, which will be the Pundi IFX delegation, the Pundi bridge, where you can bridge your digital assets. And also through Pundi Wallet, you can explore many dApps that you can interact with on so many different chains that we support. And we only announced it yesterday. And in the next slide, we can see it already start spreading around. So Mario's roundtable already announced the news, and we see so much impact and positive feedback from users that they already tried the wallet, and it's a very good upgrade. So we are excited to keep building and improving Pundi wallet with new features in 2025. Thank you. Next, I give it to you, Zach. You can speak more about Pundi AI roadmap for this year.
Sure, Andres. And in 2025, we have a very big focus on the development of AI. And one is, of course, for the holders, community members, 100-to-1 redenomination of FX to Pundi AI. You can successfully do that through Ethereum ERC20 base, FX Core, which is now also being rebranded to Pundi AI FX Omni Layer. And of course, most, if not all, the major exchanges will be supporting this. So if you hold your tokens on centralized exchanges, do look forward to the exchange's announcement. Another thing is that the Omni layer is supposed to be supporting various different blockchains so that applications that are launched on Pundi AI FX can be easily adopted and used across different chains. And we start in Q1 with integration with Base, which was explained just now, a high growth chain built by Coinbase. Very excited with working with Base. Q2 will signify the launch of Pundi AI data platform moving from testnet to mainnet. And while during testnet, we are already the biggest dataset platform application with many datasets from very famous sources, including Hugging Face, that are on the AI data platform. And in Q2, this will move into mainnet, whereby taggers will be earning real stable coin, and people that need dataset training can use the decentralized nature of Pundi AI data platform to essentially upload their data set or use existing data set from Hugging Faces for it to be tagged and trained so that for people that want to have their AI agents or AI trainings to work, this is actually the place, convergence of AI and Web3. And we ourselves in Q3 will also launch Pundi AI agent. So these agents are trained through the data sets, which is the biggest data sets that the Web3 world has seen on Pundi AI data platform. And you can train with various data sets, whether it's data set from IMDb movies because you want your agent to be super smart in movies, or it could be training on, human psychology because there's a huge data set of human psychology on Hugging Face where the researchers can actually train their agent. And we want to make Pundi AI Web3's biggest data set source for training, tagging, and also the marketplace for people to trade this data set. And with Pundi AI agent, we will also be allowing people to train their agent through the data sets that we have. So Pundi AI data platform is an application to tag the data set, and the agent would then use the trained data set to be AI agents as you have seen in the space. And Q4 will also signify our revenue flywheel, whereby we want to bring the revenue to our token holders, incentives or profit that we make from the applications. We want to bring that to the holders, essentially bringing real yield, real profit to the user. So a very packed 2025, very excited with the growth that we have, and also AI and payments will be converging together in 2025 as well. So we do have the Behind the Counter podcast. It's actually an initiative created by Judy. And for those of us that want to listen to this in YouTube or on the podcast on Spotify. All right. These are the social media links that we have, so feel free to join us, whether it's on X, Telegram, Discord, Instagram, YouTube, and do check out our Gitbook. I feel that it's a good source of information to look at it, and for those developers, do also go to our GitHub, right? So I think with that summarizes our Q4 report and also the very many exciting things that we are having in 2025. All right, so I think that's where we will leave you and see you on our various social media, guys. Cheers.
Thank you. See you guys.
See you everyone.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.